Today I come to visit a place where many people come to visit. The natural scenery around here is amazing. There is also a field where boys play football. There is a bridge here on which train run and people walk along it.